Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add the Instafeed to your Shopify store. So the process is very simple, and the app that I recommend is Instafeed. This is the app. You can see the logo so that you install the exact app and don't get distracted by any other app. So it has like till this date it has got like 1885 rating. So it means that downloads are much higher. Okay, and it is developed by Mint Studio. So okay, so it is important to describe that you install the exact app so you don't face any issue in the future. So you just click on install and make sure you open the Instagram account in the new tab, because if you don't open the account in the new tab, obviously you have to log in again and again while integrating into the app. So the best case scenario is that you log in into the Instagram account and it will connect with your brand automatically. Okay, just have a click on install, and after that it will, I believe, ask you to approve the charges. But it's free. If you are using just for Instafeed, it would be free forever. Okay, so we don't have to worry to approve the charges, something like this. So as you can see, it doesn't ask me for the plan. It's good because I'm using trying to use the free plan. If you go to the plans, you can upgrade to the higher plans. Like if you want some advanced features, like as you can see, video top on the shop app and advanced layout configuration up to three different feeds, something like this. It's up to you, but we are sticking to the free plan for now. Okay. So you click on settings and then I believe we should click on Instafeed now. Settings are not required. Connect with Instagram. Okay, so it will automatically connect my Instagram account with my Shopify store now. So the requesting access to KG Mustafa. This is my Instagram account. If you select allow, and means today will be able to view profile. Okay, all things are done. Click on allow, and as you can see, as I have already logged in, so it hasn't created an issue. It doesn't say to me to log in again and again. So it saves time actually. So now as you can see, the my Instagram account has been connected to KG Mustafa. Okay, the account has been connected. As you can see, my posts are showing automatically. And if you want to add the title, you can add it. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, no problem. Okay, these are some of the settings. If you want to change the layout, you can select slider or grid, but I would prefer grid. Okay, slider is not something I like, so you can change the format. Everything is fine. You don't have to see change anything else. So the number of rows I want is 3. Okay, and click on save. And after you click on save, you have to click on add to theme. It will open the theme customization panel. Open the theme customization panel and set Instafeed app added. Drag the app section up or down to move it to the position you want. Okay, so the Instafeed has been added. You click on apps embed and you can see you can enable the Instafeed from here. Okay, so the Instafeed has been enabled. How you can add it on our home page or other page you like. So it has added on homepage by default, and if you want something, if you want to add it on the product page, for instance, the process is again very simple. This app is really straightforward, and I love this thing about this app. So you don't have to deal with any complexity. Okay, so this is the app. This is a product page, and if I want to add the app, I can click on apps. So Instafeed app. So it will take a few seconds to integrate. So as you can see, the process is simple. You can integrate the app on any page you want. You just have to click on apps and then embed app will be displayed. I hope the things are clear, and if you have any issue, let me know. I will reply to you and give you the better suggestions. But this app is perfect, and I have personally used it for a lot of clients too. Thank you very much.